How to use Instagram threads. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can use Instagram threads. So without wasting time, let's start video. If this video will be helpful for you, then please like it and subscribe our channel. So firstly, open the Play Store and then write here threads and then install it. After installing, open it. Then you will see this type of page, and if you want to log in with Instagram, then click on login with Instagram. If you want to create new ID, then click on switch profile. I want to log in with my Instagram ID, so I will click on it. After that, click on allow. So in this way you can easily make your ID on Instagram. After that, here you will see search options, and you can search anyone which you want to search. So after that, you will see this icon, click on it. Here you can threads on the Instagram threads, like your tweet on the Twitters. So here you can write your threads, and you can add pictures or video from here. After that, click on done options. So in this way you can add your threads and click on post. So in this way you can threads on the Instagram threads. So when you will click on profile icon, here you will see edit profile options. Click on it and you can add your bio from here. After adding bio, then click on OK options. Then you can add link of your account, channel, or any link which you want to add, then you can add here. After adding, then click on OK. Here, if you want to keep your profile public, then remain it off. If you want to keep your profile private, then turn it on. Then click on done options. So after that, you will see a share profile options. You can share your profile on the WhatsApp, Facebook, or anywhere which you want to share. So after that, you will see a thread options. Here are your threads which you have published, and you will see replies and repost options. So in this way you can use threads easily, because it's just similar to the Twitter. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.